$38,900 for a 2020 Ford Raptor, and this thing looks way cleaner than most Raptors on the market right now. 106K miles, fresh transmission from Ford, clean inside and out. Let me show you why this truck is getting attention fast. Clip 1 right away, that iconic Raptor grille. Still looks aggressive and expensive. Clip 2, front end condition is super clean, no cheap looking setup. This truck still has that premium Raptor look. Clip 3. Look at this angle. The lead foot gray paint looks amazing in daylight. Clip 4. Side profile is exactly what truck buyers want. Clean stance, aggressive tires, and factory Raptor presence. Clip 5. Steering wheel and gauge cluster still look very well kept. Doesn't look beat up at all. Clip 6. Center console and controls are clean and organized. Interior still feels modern and solid. Clip 7. Driver's seat looks surprisingly clean for the mileage. Previous owner definitely took care of it. Clip 8. Passenger seat and interior condition are honestly impressive. No ripped up seats or abused interior. Clip 9. Rear seat still looks super clean too. Perfect truck for daily driving or family trips. Clip 10. Another interior angle and everything still looks tight and clean. Clip 11. Rear tailgate and back end still look aggressive. Classic Raptor styling never gets old. Clip 12. Side body condition looks great too. Paint still has a clean shine to it. Clip 13. Those LED taillights at the rear look so good. Truck still has that high-end look. Clip 14. Rear 3/4 angle might honestly be the best view of this truck. Looks ready for the road or the desert. Clip 15. Tires and wheels are in great shape too. Plenty of tread left, and the setup looks perfect on this Raptor. Clip 16. Fox suspension still looks super clean underneath. That's something real Raptor buyers always check. So here's the deal. 2020 Ford Raptor, 106K miles, fresh Ford transmission, clean interior, clean body, $38,900. Would you buy this Raptor for that price? Drop a comment or send a message before somebody else grabs it.